Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about tissue paper. Hong Kong scientists find that tissue paper or paper towel can achieve high filtration efficiency at 0.3 micron. However, tissue paper may be different quality all over the world. We don't have any equipment and machines to do scientific testing. But we can use basic things to know more about our tissue paper and paper towel, even fabric. I would do 3 kinds of testing for tissue paper and paper towel. Water test for the strength, sunlight test for protection, breath test for breathability. Let's get started. I sprays those papers. If the papers become fragile after getting wet, it is not suitable for the outer layer on the paper mask. In this testing, the handy towel is tough after getting wet. It is suitable for a paper mask on the outer layer. You can do a water test on surgical mask and fabric also. A real surgical mask must be waterproof on the outer layer. If you find the water can be going through the outer layer, it is a fake surgical mask. My scarf is very thin. I fold it in a few layers and spray. Water can't go through the filter. Just feel a little bit of moisture on the filter. Of course, you must change your mask and filter once it gets wet. Sunlight test to check density of tissue paper or paper towel. High density paper can give better protection. You can see through the sun with those tissue paper in this testing, so density is low with these tissue papers. Toilet roll seems better. I use it compared with a household towel. Sunlight can't pass through the household towel, so protection is the best among those tissue paper. You can check a mask with sunlight. If you find some holes on surgical mask or see-through with sunlight, it means the surgical mask is bad quality. You need to put a filter inside your mask to let you safe. Using tissue paper to cover the nose and mouth. Make sure there is no gap between you and the tissue paper. I test different directions: horizontal, vertical, and slant. Different direction and faces may come with different breathability. It is really difficult to show on videos and hard to tell. Just try and feel. You can use 2 to 3 pieces of tissue paper to make a filter. Place the paper in different directions. This method was introduced by Hong Kong scientist Dr. K. Kong. For us, when I need to change the filter, actually, it really depends on you. There is no official guidelines. You can change every 4 hours or change it when you feel hard to breathe. Because a lot of moisture comes out from every breath, when tissue paper or paper towel are full of moisture, it makes you hard to breathe. Now I made my filter. I glue 2 papers together at the corner. Don't glue the center. You can't breathe. Try the filter with your mask. If you breathe difficultly, just use a single layer. I would say protection is important. If you feel breathless or too hot, you would take off the mask, so protection is meaningless for you at that moment. You can put all the filter in a zigzag bag to keep it clean. Summer is coming. Some countries are coming to lift down restrictions. It is a critical time, a real challenge for all of us. I hope everyone can really stay safe no matter where you are. For more information, click the link below the screen.